Hello everyone and welcome to Turner Tools. I'm Heather Turner and I am here to help you on your EdTech journey to awesome. Today we will be learning about how to make Google Slides more interactive. I will be using Slidesmania to up my slides game and create a one-stop shop for students and for you. So let's get started. Interactivity is the name of the game, right? So I use Slidesmania's weekly planner to help me get that interactivity that I am hoping for in a Google Slides presentation. I found this to be really helpful during our time away in remote school. And so I will get started, and I actually have already downloaded this weekly planner on slidesmania.com. It is the I don't think she gives it an actual name other than it being a weekly planner for online lessons. So here is that planner. And the first thing that I do when I'm trying to create this type of lesson is I decide what my topic's going to be. What am I trying to get across to students? So for the example that I'm using, I wanted to teach students about deepfakes. And so I found a video that I really liked. And I knew that I was going to ask some questions of the students and have them try to understand what it was that deepfakes were. And so I knew I was going to have about 6 questions, and then I was going to have them have a quick write, and then I was going to have them do a chart, and then I would get their opinion. So I knew I wanted to do all these things, and so then I had to organize it. So I had this weekly planner, and I knew I wasn't going to do it from Monday to Friday. So I was going to utilize those buttons in a different way. So I was going to change this to video, and then the real power of this template is that everything is linked. So this folder is linked to another slide. Rather than going out to a web page, it's all staying within this slideshow. So this button is linked to slide 4. Now I'm going to go to slide 4, and I don't want this slide. This isn't what the template that I'm looking for. I really want to use slide 5, which has this video, and I'm actually going to get rid of that, but it has that video that looks really cool, and then any of this, and I just really like the look of this slide. So I'm actually going to delete slide 4, and then when I go back to slide 1, you'll notice, it says deleted slide. Well, that's okay. I can link this to whatever slide I want to. So I'm just going to click the pencil and click edit. And then I'm going to choose the slide that I want, which is slide 4. Apply. Now it's going to go to slide 4, and that's the slide that I want it to be on. So I'm going to go back to my example. So I put in all of these. So instead of having the text on the bottom, I decided to put the text right in the inside. So if I click on my box, right on the lines, then you'll notice that it says slide 5. It takes me to slide 5, and it is the video that a student can watch, or whoever is going to be your end user. Then I can keep going through very easily, go through the slideshow, and then anything that I do, I can have the student actually complete that information. Go through, watch the video. Side note, I actually did format the options on these videos, and I actually just had them watch portions of the videos as I want. That's a nice little feature that each one of my slides actually is the same exact video, but I have it start and stop at different times in the video. And how I did that was I went to format options up here, and then I used the time that I wanted. So this was 47 seconds to 1 minute and 7 seconds. So once they've watched that, then they type in the box and actually answer the question. Another thing to make it interactive that I did was that I actually recorded the audio of the question for each of the slides. And I did that on another website, which is called onlinerecording.com, and it just it immediately saves it, and I could upload it to my Google Drive and then attach it here. Keep in mind, though, that you want to make sure that those recordings are public or the students won't be able to listen to them. That actually happened to me. It's easy to forget to do. And so that is pretty much it on how to make this Google Slide presentation a little bit more interactive and not having to have students go to different places. Of course, in Google Classroom, you would make a copy of this slideshow for each student in order for them to actually fill it out themselves. So good luck and let me know how it goes. This has been Turner Tools. Be sure to subscribe to get notified when new content drops, and have a wonderful day.